Hi guys, this should be the last episode in this series, the Thames Kosmos remote control machines animals. I promised I'd revisit the orangutan because his arms kept falling off when I did him the first time. So what I've done, if we can see here, I've wired his arms together to try and stop them coming apart using this beading, in focus, beading wire, because it's nice thin stuff. So hopefully his arms will stay together. Looking good so far. How about backwards? Okay, we seem to have success. He says as his arms catch. Oh, look at that. Oh, no. He's all right at the moment. So by now, on the first episode, the arms had fallen apart. Wiring them together seems to be successful. So that will do. Nice and short episode instead of those really long ones building him. Job done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.